Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about chapter number 5, that is quadratic equations of standard 10 So chapter number 5, that is quadratic equations of standard 10. Before starting this chapter, I am going to write one expression here like ax square plus bx plus c and a is not equals to 0. So this is an expression in the variable x and highest power is 2. Here is we have highest power. Next, ay square plus by plus c and a is not equals to 0. So here variable is y and again highest power is 2. Now I am going to write one more example. Az square plus bz plus c, a is not equals to 0. So here again variable is z and highest power is 2. So in all these we have highest power is 2 and here in this expression variable is x, here variable is y and here variable is z. So the expression in variable x where highest power is 2, so these all are called quadratic expressions. These all are called quadratic expressions. But the name of the chapter is quadratic equations. These all are quadratic expressions. So now I am going to write ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 and a is not equals to 0. First I have written it as ax square plus bx plus c and a is not equals to 0. So what is the difference between these two, this one and this one? So the difference between these two is this is an expression in variable x where highest power is 2. This is an equation. This is called a quadratic equation in which highest power is 2. How you will come to know that this is a quadratic equation and this is a quadratic expression? So the statement of equality with one variable, and variable is x here. So the statement of equality, and equality is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So the statement of equality with one variable, that is x, having the highest power is 2. So the highest power is 2. Highest power of variable x is 2, is called quadratic equation in one variable. So this statement of equality with one variable, and one variable is here, that is x, with one variable having the highest power of that particular variable 2 is called a quadratic equation in one variable. Suppose I am going to write it as 5z square plus 2z plus 3 equals to 0. Again this is the quadratic equation. The statement of equality with one variable, and variable is z, with the highest power of that particular variable is 2, is called the quadratic equation in one variable, and here a is not equals to 0. Now what do you mean by this a is not equals to 0? Value of a must not be 0 here. If value of a will be 0 here, so it will ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. It will be written as a0, 0x square, bx plus c equals to 0. 0 into x square 0 plus bx plus c equals to 0, bx plus c equals to 0. So after filling the value of a equals to 0, it will not be quadratic equation. It will become a linear equation. That's why the value of a will not be equals to 0. It can be any value rather than the 0. Only in that case we will consider this as quadratic equation. So this is the general form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 and a is not equals to 0. So a is not equals to 0. So here we all knew about what is quadratic equation, and the general form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 and a is not equals to 0. So to sum up, an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 and a is not equals to 0 is called the quadratic equation in general form of the variable, that is x, where this a and b are called coefficients of x square and x. So this a and b are called the coefficients of x square and x, and c is a constant. We all know about constant and variable, so c is a constant. A is not equals to 0, but b and c can be 0. So again, an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, a is not equals to 0 and a and b are the coefficients of x square and x, and c can be 0. C can be 0 as well as b can be 0, but a is not equals to 0. This is called the quadratic equation. So in your exercise of 5th A, the very first question is that we have to check that whether the given equations are quadratic equations or not. Quadratic equations or not. So in that exercise, first of all, in the very first question, we have to check that whether the given equations are quadratic equations or not. And I think in the first question they have given us that check that 3x minus 1 whole square is equals to 5x plus 8. So look at this. 3x minus 1 whole square is equals to 5 multiplied by x plus 8. So a minus b whole square, we know that a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it can be written as a square plus b square minus 2a into b, 5x plus 5 8s are 40. So 3 3s are 9x square, 1 minus 6x is equals to 5x plus 40. So 9x square minus 6x minus 5x plus 1 minus 40 equals to 0. So 9x square, like term 6x and 5x, 11x minus 39 equals to 0. Now you just check that this is the general form, like we have ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here a value of a is 9, value of b is minus 11. A is 9, value of b is minus 11, value of c is minus 39. Constant b will be minus 11, b is minus 11 and a is 9, that is not equals to 0. That is not equals to 0 and highest power is 2. Highest power is 2. So this equation satisfy all the conditions of quadratic equation. So it means 3x minus 1 whole square is equals to 5 into x plus 8 is called a quadratic equation. So by using this we can solve other questions also, like we have given I think second question, that is x minus 4, 3x plus 1 is equals to 3x minus 1 x plus 2. We know that x will multiply with the whole one, 3x plus 1 minus 4 multiply with the 3x plus 1, again 3x multiply with the whole bracket minus 1x plus 2. So x into 3x, 3x square, x minus 12x minus 4, 3x square, 3 into 2, 6x minus 1x plus minus 2. So 3x square, like terms x and minus 12x plus minus 11x minus 4, 3x square, 6 minus 1, 5x minus 2. So 3x square minus 11x minus 4, this will become minus 3x square minus 5x plus 2, and here we have 0. So 3x square and 3x square cancel, minus 11x minus 5x minus 16x, minus 4 and plus 2, minus 2 equals to 0. Take minus common, 16x plus 2 equals to 0, 16x plus 2 equals to 0. So here we don't have raised to power highest power 2. Highest power 2 variable is x, but highest power is not 2 here, highest power is 1. So this is not a quadratic equation because it doesn't satisfy the general form of the equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. It satisfies only this, that is bx plus c equals to 0. This is a linear equation, so we can't consider it as quadratic equation. So I hope you all are clear about this concept of quadratic equation. To sum up, again I just want to recall, today we have done about quadratic equations. These are called quadratic expressions. Here we have ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 and a is not equals to 0. This is the statement of equality with one variable x and the highest power of that particular variable is 2. So and we also have done that how can we check that whether the given equations are quadratic or not. So today, after going through this, you all have to do the question number 1 of 5th A exercise. I think 6 parts are there and you all have to try to solve those questions. If you have any doubt, you can contact me on my through WhatsApp on my number. So you all have to do these questions. Thank you and have a nice day.